Uh, Good afternoon to one and all. I, Professor Nagaraj Kelgeri from Department of Mechanical Engineering, KLE Dr. MS Sheshgiri College of Engineering, on behalf of my department and institute, welcome all participants for the 10th session of FDP on augmented reality and virtual reality. Uh, the today's session speaker is Dr. Amit Kabra from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Ludhiana. I request my colleague, Professor Sadiq Pachapure, to give a brief introduction about Amit Kabra, sir.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Today's session will be handled by Dr. Amit Kamra, who is working as an associate professor in Department of IT at GNDC Ludhiana. He has over 20 years of teaching experience. Coming to his schooling, he has done BTech from PTU Jalandhar, MTech in IT from Punjab University, and completed his PhD in computer science in 2014. He is PhD coordinator and Institute MBA convener at GNDEC Ludhiana. It stands for Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College. His research interests are data mining, machine learning, virtual reality, image processing, outcome-based education, etc. Till now, he has received grants for more than 25 lakhs from funding agencies like AICTE, UGC, and PTU Jalandhar. He also has received a Best Teacher Award by ISTE in December 2020, a good one for the year 2020. He has published papers in journals of repute with indexing in SCI, SCIE, and Scopus. He is a reviewer of Springer and Elsevier journals. He has written one book of computer science and interfaces and published many technical reports with reputed publishers. He has worked in the capacity of assistant registrar, deputy control of examination. Till now, he has guided 31 MTech projects, 2 PhD theses, and currently guiding 2 PhD scholars. With this brief introduction, I hand over the session to Dr. Amit Kamra and welcome once again for the session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, respected faculty members of KLE. Thank you, Dr. Sunil, who is not present here, but he invited me to giving a lecture here. I'm very thankful to KLE. In fact, I just want to share something good thing about KLE, that I was supposed to come to KLE last year, just before the start of the COVID-19. There was some exam reforms workshop which was planned in February 2020, and after that this COVID scenario came, and our workshop was postponed. And just I assumed I attended that workshop in December 2020. So otherwise I might have seen KLE also physically. Never mind, what I have seen during the COVID-19 is that the teaching and learning must not continue, must not end at any time. So basically, I'm a teacher by profession, and my college is a very oldest college of the Punjab. It was established in 1956. I'm a professor here for the last 15 years. Thank you for the introduction and inviting me on a virtual mode here. See, coming to this topic, the Google Cardboard. Is the voice absolutely clear,
Yes,
Professor?
it's
Okay,
clear.
okay. Please interrupt me if anyhow any technical obstruction do
Yeah,
comes,
yeah,
because
sure.
it may happen sometimes.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
not
sure.
going to. My camera is just off, so I'm not able to go see through. But if any of you are having any sort of doubt, you can unmute yourself, or also you can ask after the lecture, because this is going to be a very interactive session. I've gone through the this FDP brochure yesterday. Dr. Sunil shared with me, and many of my friends who have given lecture in this course were quite familiar with me. Dr. Bhaumik is a very close friend of me, and Sangeeta Das is also quite known to me, because I have also organized this FDP around 3 to 4 months back, and that's why I also got fascinated by this area. In fact, I have never studied virtual reality before and I applied to this Atal course. But during the COVID-19, what I saw that the job sectors which were grooming and the employability was increasing of all our stakeholder was in some areas which are similar to machine learning and this virtual reality and augmented reality. Uh, I know most of my friends are from the mechanical background, but please don't consider this lecture as I am from a computer background. See, nowadays the engineering is an interdisciplinary area. So we keep on learning the things of the mechanical or the electrical things also. And similarly, the mechanical or electrical students, they also come to our college and they also perform. Nowadays, the trend is gone that somebody from the mechanical engineering cannot learn computer or somebody from the computer cannot learn mechanical. So the today's trend is interdisciplinary trend. Coming back to this lecture today, this is a very interactive lecture today. And one thing I'm sure, if you are going to listen to this lecture very carefully, I will be using a bit of Hindi also in between because it is minor. Professor, can I use a bit of Hindi? Is there any language problem or English is fine?
You can go ahead, no problem, sir.
Okay.
Majorly we speak
Bit of one. Okay. तो मुझे एक शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग याद आता है. शाहरुख खान once said in movie चक दे इंडिया कि मुझे 70 मिनट आपके बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर मुझे आपके 90 मिनट्स अगले मुझे आपके चाहिए. तो प्लीज़ बी विथ मी मेंटली with the next 90 minutes with you, and I bet you कि आपको you will have something to take away for your home, something good one, if you don't have any idea of what I'm saying. अगर आपको पता है Google Cardboard क्या होता है, then it's fine. And if you're not having something what is Google Cardboard, then I assume you're going to take something good at your home, even for your kids also, even for your wife also, even for your stakeholders also. Okay. Never mind, I am from a computer's background, but I feel whatever things I'm going to discuss today, the people from the mechanical or electrical background, they also can apply in their relevant disciplines. I hope Sangeeta might have taught you something about Eon reality, and Dr. Bhaumik might have covered, and his team also might have covered something related to the Eon Unity and Vuforia tools. So today is the last lecture given to me. So possibly all the things related to the software component, you might have seen all those things. But somebody of you might have thought that if you are able to develop any VR or AR based video or that particular tool through which a certain application is developed, say of mechanical engineering also. Professor, are there the participants from the mechanical engineering only or from the interdisciplinary?
It is interdisciplinary. Majority are from CS branch, but mechanical also are present.
Okay, then it's fine to me. So because I am going to use the both example. I am from a CSC and I have, my PPT contain many mechanical examples. Anybody, please mute yourself so that we don't disturb each other. So whatever the things I'm going to discuss today, I am going to make one bet with all of you today that you will definitely love to see what is Google Cardboard today. So let's start the lecture. See, what we are going to discuss today. I'm going to discuss something about a term called Google Cardboard. You might have studied the virtual reality concepts, augmented reality from the last 5 days, and I hope you might have got good idea. But one thing I must want to say that any of the speaker might have not shared with you the physics behind the virtual reality, that how virtual image is formed. So we will go back to our school days today and we will find out something fascinating and we will memorize what we studied during our school time. That concept is already used in this virtual reality. We will today design one HMD device, head mounted display, that is called Google Cardboard. And you don't have to spend more than 200 rupees to make this Google Cardboard. I assume the mechanical people might have studied that machine drawing and engineering drawing very well. So they are very good in drawing and artistic skills. I'm from a computer background and I was very poor in engineering drawing. So making a Google Cardboard is a very easy task for the people who are having some bit of drawing and artistic skills. In addition, we will discuss how this cardboard works. There are certain applications which I've added especially for my mechanical friends here. Although Google Cardboard and this Unity software tools are basically a computer-based tool, but nowadays, as I earlier told, that all the fields are interdisciplinary. So these are the front end and the back end will be the application related to any stream. either it is related to mechanical or electrical or whatsoever area you are working. And I will also be telling you certain apps also. So please keep your smartphones with you, because in between the lecture, I will be telling you certain apps also, which you need to download and you can view that how they works, that how Google Cardboard is compatible with those apps. Okay. So just a brief idea about why AICT Atal program has introduced this VR and AR concept here. See, these Atal programs are the very nice initiative done by AICT. They want that the thrust areas in which we can increase the employability of our stakeholders should be taught to or should be discussed with an open platform with all the teaching fraternity of India. So last year when Atal program was launched, certain thrust areas were developed by their team, and this virtual reality and augmented reality was one of those areas. In fact, I am teaching in my college for the last 20 years, and we have never actually heard about this subject, virtual reality and augmented reality. And you can see that 2019 report that during the post before the COVID itself, it was forecast that 23 million jobs they will be enhanced by the virtual reality and the augmented reality. So you can imagine the number of the job sectors which are going to rise by this trend. So please don't keep the knowledge you have attained. You must be thankful to Dr. Sunil and his entire team that they have organized a upcoming trends related to the virtual reality and augmented reality, which we need to pass to our stakeholders. Ultimately, we want the engineers which we are producing, they should be getting placed or they should have some good knowledge. Ultimately, we want to improve the employability of our stakeholder. That's why such sort of FDPs on this very relevant themes which are in demand today are organized. So you can find out the number of jobs which are going to increase at least for the next 10 years in this scenario. So please go back to your college, and if you're autonomous college, if you are a BOS study member, and if this subject is not in your curriculum, please try to add all those things, all those tools which you have taught. Although if you are from a mechanical background, try to incorporate this subject as open elective or elective in your curriculum, so that the mechanical and the other branches which are other than CSC and IT, they also start getting something knowledgeable and which can really improve their employability. तो अकेला हमारा ये पर्पस नहीं है कि हमने एफडीपी लगाया, वी गॉट अ सर्टिफिकेट. Our purpose is to get the knowledge and then pass the knowledge to the stakeholders. So this was a scenario of VR and AR today. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. आई ऑलवेज फील व्हेन आई गिव माय लेक्चर टू माय फ्रेंड्स ऑन द अदर साइड, दे मस्ट बी एंटरटेन्ड. आपने विद्या बालन का एक डायलॉग सुना होगा कि मूवीज जो होती हैं उसमें 3 चीज़ होनी चाहिए, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट और एंटरटेनमेंट. तो आई हैव ऑलवेज ट्राइड व्हेनेवर आई गिव ए लेक्चर on such platform, whenever I call for an expert talk, I always feel that the audience will feel entertained. Entertain doesn't mean कि आपको मजा आए. Entertain का meaning है कि you should get something out of my lecture. So just see here, during this time of pandemic, when everything has gone to virtual, even our mode of communication is also today virtual. You might remember this movie Ravan. It was a very famous movie of Shah Rukh Khan. This whole movie concept was based on a virtual reality concept. This was the first time when I got an idea what was virtual reality. Just to have a glimpse of that complete movie, I have 1 or 2 slides here. That the movie protagonist was Shah Rukh Khan, and he was basically a game designer. So what he did in that movie, he created a motion sensor based game in which the other person was Arjun Rampal. He was an antagonist, the villain of the movie. He was more powerful than G1. And what happened in that movie, you might have watched, my dear friends, that the antagonist Ravan, he escaped from the games world and entered into the real world, and his aim was to kill Lucifer. Lucifer was the Shah Rukh Khan's sons, and he only challenged the Ravan's power. Actually, what I want to say here, basically this was a very suitable example of virtual reality in the real life. But in this session, I'm going to tell you something about that how we can perceive that virtual reality through the device or HMD's headset called Google Cardboard. Somebody's mic is on, please mute yourself. So our main motive is to discuss something novel, one which through which you can perceive, you can visualize your virtual reality concepts. See, in the morning also, I joined your lecture for just 1 or 2 minutes. So some of the speaker was telling you something about Unity interface. Yesterday, Sangeeta Das might have discussed with you Eon reality. Uh, I assume that whatever the things or whatever the videos or applications you created on their Eon reality platform or in Unity or in Vuforia or in Blender, how are you able to visualize all those things? For visualization, we need certain hardware device, and the normal hardware which is available in market is of very high cost. I will be telling you the normal hardware also. And today our aim is to develop a very small, low cost, effective hardware through which any of the application which you people have learned through Unity or that Eon Reality app, you can develop related to your subject, and then with the help of Google Cardboard, you can visualize them. आप उसे देख पाओगे एक वर्चुअल मोड में, बिकॉज वर्चुअल रियलिटी को देखने के लिए भी हमें एक हार्डवेयर चाहिए. वॉट एवर सॉफ्टवेयर कॉम्पोनेंट यू हैव स्टडीड एंड यू नीड नाउ हार्डवेयर ऑल्सो टू विजुअलाइज दोज थिंग्स. Okay. So basically, just a few slides about virtual reality. Although I know you people might have been learning virtual reality from the last 4 days, but I'm going to discuss something physics behind the virtual reality, and I hope nobody has discussed it. Professor, anybody has discussed the physics behind the virtual reality, that how virtual image is formed? Anybody, please acknowledge.
No, sir.
Okay, it's one thing. So that's why otherwise you might feel boring of this lecture. So I hope nobody has discussed that how virtual image is formed. So what is virtual reality? Virtual reality is a computer generated artificial environment. All of you know this because you have been learning from the virtual reality in the last 3 to 4 days. And what our aim is, we want to generate some realistic images. In augmented reality also, if somebody has given the lecture on augmented reality, what we can do in augmented reality, we can perceive sound also and other sensations also. And what we are going to do through the, we can stimulate a user physical presence in an imaginary environment. आपको ऐसे लगेगा कि कोई imaginary environment में एक user है. So any person using a VR equipment is able to look around that artificial world. So he can visualize those virtual features. वर्चुअल फीचर्स, वर्चुअल रियलिटी को हम अपनी पंजाब में हम बोलते हैं, एक टर्म बोलते हैं झूठा सच. आई होप आपको थोड़ी बहुत हिंदी समझ आ रही है मेरी. देयर इज अ टर्म कॉल्ड झूठा सच, झूठा और सच. तो वर्चुअल रियलिटी भी वही चीज़ है. वर्चुअल रियलिटी झूठा सच है. प्लीज गो ऑन टू एनालाइज दिस टर्म झूठा सच. ठीक है, वर्चुअल रियलिटी यही चीज़ है, झूठा सच. Okay, now slowly and slowly we are going to proceed toward the Google Cardboard. So don't worry, as soon as the lecture progress, हम बनाने की direction में जाएंगे. So I want to discuss now hardware also today here. There is another term called HMD. HMD is a broadly used visual display device. What is actually HMD? It is a pair of some display screens which are directly fitted in front of the user eyes. एक helmet की तरह होता है. It is just like a helmet and we can wear on our head, and inside that helmet आप समझ सकते हैं there is some Android phone or some tab through which that particular VR video is being displayed. ठीक है. So HMDs are compatible with these mobile based displays also. Just here, these are the different types of virtual reality headsets available in the market. At our college, we are establishing a lab of virtual reality in this year, and we have managed to procure only 1 or 2 virtual reality headsets because these are very costly ones. तो हम सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स को डेमो के लिए एक दो रखते हैं, बट गूगल कार्डबोर्ड हमारे पास बहुत सारे होंगे. ठीक है. तो दिस आर द 3 types of devices which are basically procured commercially in labs or in, अगर आप खुद का वर्चुअल रियलिटी हेडसेट घर पे रखना चाहते हो तो यानी यू हैव टू स्पेंड अराउंड ₹20,000 कम से कम आपको लगाना पड़ेगा. और 20,000 इज़ नॉट ए स्मॉल अमाउंट. 20,000 काफ़ी बड़ी अमाउंट होती है. हम एक वर्चुअल रियलिटी हेडसेट 20,000 में नहीं लेंगे बिकॉज आफ्टर दिस लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू डेवलप ए वन हेडसेट विच इज़ गोइंग टू कॉस्ट maximum to maximum 400 and minimum 200. So इतने की तो हम आइसक्रीम खा जाते हैं. इफ़ वी गो टू मैकडोनल्ड एंड फैमिली ट्रिप पे जाते हैं तो आजकल तो 400 से 500 की आइसक्रीम खाई जाती है. ठीक है, तो बाय स्पेंडिंग रुपीज़ 200 to 300 or 400 maximum, you can develop one HMD today. Okay, these are some other HMD picks just for your knowledge sake. Different companies are producing them. So let's start the crux of our talk today, cost-effective HMD, that is Google Cardboard. Okay, you have a test also tomorrow, and Dr. Sunil has asked me to send 13 questions also. Please listen to this slides carefully so that you can able to answer all those answer very easily. Okay, so Google Cardboard, it is a low resolution HMD, although it's a low resolution as compared to the other HMDs, but considering the cost factor, we can ignore this low resolution to some extent. It was developed by Google, that's why it's so called Google Cardboard. So let's give the credit to the persons who developed this cardboard. They were developed by David Coase and Damien Henry. These were the Google engineers who were the pioneers in this field. And basically, it is a low cost to increase the interest in the VR application. The brain behind this is the actually cardboard. I'm also going to show you physical cardboard that is with me with the passage of time. मैं आपको असली cardboard भी दिखाऊंगा जो मेरे पास है, which I have made here. So let's give credit to this person who we all know, the IIT Kharagpur alumni. I suppose I'm right with his institution name. Please rectify me if I am wrong. So Sundar Pichai was the credit who he told that he want to popularize this VR applications, and this device was launched in the 2014 developers conference for Android devices. So this device is now compatible with the Android and the iOS device both now. So this how this project was envisaged. The Google Cardboard was a part of the Google 20% projects where the employees were given some task to develop something at their home apart from the normal duties. And actually, in my curriculum, I have been made in charge of this subject now. So I have added a minor project in my lab syllabi of this virtual reality lab. And I have asked my students to make a mini project. They have to make this Google Cardboard at their own end. Okay. So in reality, I'm telling, I can also show you my syllabus also, if you want, where it is written that students have to develop this Google Cardboard at their own end. So what are the applications we will be discussing today? We have Google Cardboard can be used for entertainment, training, virtual walkthrough, and education purpose. And since we all are technocrats and educationists, so we will study the educational applications also, apart from the training and the entertainment applications also today. So I hope you people might have been now well versed with Unity. आपको कुछ हद तक Unity समझ आ गया होगा. थोड़ा बहुत आपने Eon Reality ऐप के ऊपर काम किया होगा. I hope Sangeeta is a very good tutor. एक भव्या भी आए थे, I have seen. So he was a lead designer in the Eon Reality. So these people are the pioneer in this field. They are quite close to me, and I hope you people might have got some good idea from these persons through the lectures. So whatever apps or videos related to your subject you are going to make through their knowledge, you are going to visualize all those through the Google Cardboard. So I can say the schedule developed by Sunil for this FDP is very precise. So पहले उन्होंने सारा software component रखा है. आज Dr. Sunil has kept the hardware component. So you people now have got the knowledge how to develop those VR applications, and now my lecture is to how to visualize those VR applications. Okay. So let's have just two, 3 slides that how this virtual effect is created. चलिए, let's go back to the class 8th. सब लोग 8th क्लास में चलते हैं 5 मिनट के लिए. Imagine कीजिए you are a class 8 student and there was a one chapter in our 8th class of physics. The name of the chapter was light. I hope you might remember, my dear friends. So the operating principle of this Google Cardboard is the concept of physics. See, whenever we studied that concept of light, there was certain images we found out that formed. There were certain conditions, real images formed, inverted images formed, enlarged image is formed, and there was one condition that was called when virtual image is formed. So to understand this concept of virtual reality, let's memorize two terms now. One is called the refraction of light, and another is called a focal length. So whatever the concept used in those devices, in those softwares, जो भी आप वीडियोस बनाएंगे उसको देखने के लिए we need virtual reality headsets. तो virtual reality headsets का जो concept है, that concept is the principle of the optics. So what was it called? Refraction of light. Refraction is the bending of the light, and focal length is the distance between the optical center and the principal focus. अगर आपको याद नहीं है, and if you are not able to memorize it, so please you can see this. Do one thing. If you are going to the evening में जाके अपने kid की 8th की book देखेगा. If any of the student is studying in 8th, I hope 8th में था ये subject हमारे पास. So this was a diagram which I captured from my daughter's 8th standard book. I'm not telling lie. This is actually that when I was preparing this lecture, I gave this lecture in few other colleges also. The first time I have a screenshot of those this actually image process. So this is the lens used in the Google Cardboard is a 4.5 centimeter. I'm going to tell you all about the components also. This object is AB. This is our phone. You can imagine our phone will be placed at 3 centimeter, and you can find out the object is in between this F1 and optical center O. So what happened in the when virtual image is formed? Please remember, this is the one of the light ray. It's after refraction, one of the ray of light passes from the focus F2, and it meets at point A dash, and other ray passes through the optical center, which again diverges back. And this bigger part, the object is AB, and the actual enlarged image is A dash B dash. तो ये जो image बन रही है, this image is a large image, बड़ी दिखेगी, and it is on the other side of the screen. This is what we call virtual reality. So my dear friends, आज आपको पता चल गया होगा virtual reality बनती कैसे है. Virtual reality के लिए जो image बनती है, that is formed on the other side of the screen. एक बड़ा interesting आपसे मैं I want to share something with you now. See, the virtual image जो बन रही है, that's A dash B dash, it is very large in size. देखिए, God ने हमें दो आंखें दी हैं. The God has gifted us two eyes. So when we see through the two eyes, our eyes form two images. हमारी दो images बनती हैं, but with slightly different perspective. But अगर दो images बनती, तो होता क्या? We are going to able to see two images. अगर हम दो image देखते, imagine कीजिए आपके ऑफिस में there is a chair in front of you, and you are looking through the both eyes, but you are not able to see two chairs. How? Because the brain process these two images and it acts like a microcontroller. Brain क्या करता है? There is some biology also involved in virtual reality. It combines them and then create depth that results in this 3D image. And this production of this 3D image is called immersion effect. So immersion effect is the key factor to visualize that virtual reality. तो अगर आप एक काम कीजिएगा, I will be telling you certain apps also today. उन apps में आप जब कोई पिक देखोगे या कोई वीडियो देखोगे, तो you will be seeing two images parallel में, split हो जाएगी आपकी image, ठीक है? Professor Sadiq, is my voice audible? I want to ask something. Professor Sadiq. Shrikant ji, anybody please acknowledge. I want to ask something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay.
I am Professor Nagaraj.
Okay, Professor Nagaraj, please do one thing, and
Yes.
all of my participants, open your smartphone and open YouTube.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, open YouTube. Everybody, please do one thing. I'm going to ask something very interesting one. Open YouTube and just search on YouTube name of the movie Bahubali. But type Bahubali VR.
Bahubali VR.
Yeah. Professor Nagaraj, keep your mic on. Otherwise, I will.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope everybody has opened this thing on YouTube. If your net speed is good, you might have opened this movie. No need to play those. Somebody has given in the chat box also this reply. Dr. Ashwini Talhan, thank you for acknowledging me. Professor Nagaraj, is that movie is open now?
Yeah.
Just play that
Yes.
movie.
Excuse me.
Yeah, ma'am.
It's giving 3 options: Bahubali VR video, Bahubali VR 360.
VR, ma'am.
VR, only VR.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
360 video is also another application of Google Cardboard. Okay, just when you open this movie, you're going to see that movie with two screens. The image is split into two parts now. सुनीता जी, यू आर ओपनिंग द मूवी. जो मूवी आपको एक स्क्रीन को दो हिस्से में दिख रहे होंगे.
यस यस
हाँ हाँ,
चलिए,
2 हिस्सों में दिख रही है.
चलिए बस ठीक है. यही तो दिस इज, अगर प्लीज बस मूवी बंद कर दीजिए. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू वॉच द मूवी. प्रोफेसर हेमंत, यू माइट हैव सीन, आपने देख लिया होगा. ओके, थैंक यू. So thanks my dear friends for opening that. Please have your smartphone with you. I will be telling you something good things today also. थोड़ा आपको entertainment भी होगी. So please make sure this is the Bahubali VR. When you are going to see this movie, see this is Bahubali VR and our brain is processing 2 images. ठीक है? This is the best example which the YouTube has provided. That movie is one movie एक ही है, लेकिन आप उस स्क्रीन को 2 हिस्सों में देख रहे हो. बट अगर आप उसे गूगल कार्डबोर्ड अपने सिर पर पहन लेंगे और यू आर गोइंग टू इंसर्ट दैट योर स्मार्टफोन इनसाइड द गूगल कार्डबोर्ड, आपको दिखाऊंगा थोड़ी देर बाद, तो वो 2 स्क्रीन जो होंगी स्प्लिट होके इट विल बिकम वन ओनली एंड दैट विल बी द वर्चुअल इफेक्ट. ठीक है, मैं आपको थोड़ी देर बाद लाइव भी दिखाऊंगा. मैं आई हैव गॉट मेड सर्टेन वीडियोज ऑल्सो, तो आपको और समझ आ जाएगा बिकॉज यू आर नॉट हैविंग गूगल कार्डबोर्ड विथ यू टुडे, बट आई होप आपको यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. तो जस्ट आपने देखा द बाहुबली VR, द स्क्रीन इज स्प्लिट इनटू 2 पार्ट्स. यही चीज मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. आवर आईज इज फॉर्मिंग 2 इमेजेस, लेकिन व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू वियर दैट गूगल कार्डबोर्ड हेडसेट एंड इंसर्ट दैट स्मार्टफोन इनसाइड द गूगल कार्डबोर्ड एंड देन विजुअलाइज दैट इमेज, जब आप उस मूवी को देखोगे यू विल वॉच ओनली सिंगल स्क्रीन. और बड़ा मजा आएगा देख के. आप आपकी आंखों के सामने वो जो प्रोटैगनिस्ट प्रभास है, यू कैन सी कि वो पहाड़ों से गिर रहा है, ही इज फॉलिंग फ्रॉम द माउंटेन्स. इट क्रिएट्स अ वेरी फैसिनेटिंग इफेक्ट. बड़ा मजा आता है उसे देखकर. तो आपका जो बोरिंग स्मार्टफोन है, क्योंकि स्मार्टफोन इज नॉट बोरिंग वन. स्मार्टफोन में बहुत कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं, लेकिन हम स्मार्टफोन को बड़ा अच्छा और स्मार्टफोन अच्छा बेहतर बना सकते हैं इफ़ यू आर हैविंग ए आइडिया अबाउट दिस वर्चुअल रियलिटी. तो सिग्निफिकेंट थिंग जो होगा वो सारा इमर्शन इफेक्ट होगा, हम पढ़ेंगे अभी. आई विल बी शोइंग यू सर्टेन स्मॉल वीडियोज ऑल्सो, सो विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम. ओके, just see here, this is the Google Cardboard which I am having. This you can see here. ठीक है, मैं आपको फिजिकली भी दिखाऊंगा जब मैं कैमरा ऑन करता हूँ 2 मिनट बाद अपना. These are lens which I am talking. These are called a biconvex lens and these are easily available from any science store. किसी भी साइंस स्टोर से मिल जाते हैं and they hardly cost 60 rupees. जो कार्डबोर्ड है, हम सब ऑफिस में हमारे फाइल कवर्स पड़े होते हैं. यू आर हैविंग गुड फाइल कवर्स, तो वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो क्वेश्चन आता है, कैन वी मेक इट एट आवर होम? Yes, the answer is yes. The specifications are very simple one. The only thing is you must have bit of the artistic skill. थोड़ी सी ड्राइंग स्किल चाहिए, कटिंग वगैरह करनी पड़ेगी. यू नीड टू कट डाउन, यू नीड टू थोड़ी आर्टिस्टिक स्किल चाहिए. अदरवाइज आई होप इट विल टेक ओनली 30 minutes to make this Google Cardboard at home. Okay, I have a small video also. Please, okay, Rakshita, don't worry. Please don't type any message, otherwise I get distracted. I will be definitely available for any queries at the end of my lecture. So please avoid distraction for time being. Okay, just one second. Okay, so the making cost is very less. Any of your query, if they are available, you can just keep on, and I will definitely try to reply each of the one. So don't worry. So I will be also telling you many apps also which are compatible for this device. And the good thing, what we want, यार हमें कोई एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं करनी है. प्लीज माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वी आर नॉट गोइंग फॉर एंटरटेनिंग यू. अल्टीमेट एम इज टू वांट द एम्प्लॉयर, हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स की हमने एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी बढ़ानी है. तो व्हाट वी वांट कि वो क्लासेस के अंदर आएँ, क्लासेस के अंदर आके लर्निंग करें. देखिए, वी हैव बीन टीचिंग फ्रॉम मेनी ईयर्स. तो हमारा टीचिंग स्टाइल क्या, हमारी टीचिंग पेडागोगी क्या होती है? We prefer this whiteboard, we prefer multimedia, we have a presentation, and think of someday कि Professor Nagaraj tell to the students कि we will be discussing this topic through the virtual reality today. ठीक है, तो आप प्रोफेसर नागराज ने कोई आर्टिकल, प्रोफेसर नागराज आप कौन सी ब्रांच से हैं? Which branch? कौन सी
I'm
ब्रांच
from
है?
mechanical, sir.
प्रोफेसर नागराज कोई मैकेनिकल मुझे भी एग्जांपल मैंने बाद में कोट किए हैं, तो मैं आपको वो बताऊंगा। प्रोफेसर नागराज ने कोई टॉपिक था फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स का, आई होप
Yeah.
फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स होता है। प्रोफेसर नागराज
Yes.
कैन यू आप तो सम डे ऑफ द टाइम अगर आपको यूनिटी या वो फोरिया पे आपकी एक्सपर्टीज हो जाती है, तो you develop certain small application in Vuforia and tell the students to bring the Google Cardboard with you, and tomorrow I will be playing the complete working of the fluid mechanics of some any application जो भी आप पढ़ाते हैं। तो वो बच्चे अगर देखेंगे तो दे विल बी वेरी इंटरेक्टिव, उनको बड़ा मजा आएगा, वो नेक्स्ट टाइम से आपकी क्लासेस में और आना शुरू हो जाएंगे। तो इन्हें भी दो फायदे होंगे हमें, आपकी कंप्यूटर्स और आईटी की नॉलेज बढ़ रही है और आप उसे मैकेनिकल में यूज कर रहे हो, और आपकी दूसरा क्या होगा, स्टूडेंट्स को आपकी पेडागोगी अच्छी लगनी शुरू हो जाएगी। इन ए वे स्टूडेंट्स को मजा आएगा, यार वर्चुअल रियलिटी इज अ वेरी फैसिनेटिंग थिंग्स, द कंप्लीट वर्किंग ऑफ दैट फ्लूइड मैकेनिक। अब मुझे कोई एप्लीकेशन नहीं याद आ रही जो भी फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स में करते हैं, तो एनी एप्लीकेशन विच जिसका आप डायग्राम बनाते हैं प्रोफेसर नागराज, ठीक है, एनी डायग्राम, उस डायग्राम को आप वर्चुअल इफेक्ट की तरह क्रिएट करके दिखाओ और द स्टूडेंट्स कैन विजुअलाइज दोज थिंग्स, तो
Yes.
उनको बड़ा मजा आएगा उस चीज पर। क्योंकि स्मार्ट
Sure, sir.
सब स्टूडेंट के पास स्मार्टफोन तो होते हैं, तो गूगल कार्डबोर्ड इज ए स्मार्टफोन 15,000 का आता है, कम से कम 20,000 का आता है। तो अगर 200 या 300 रुपये लगाकर इफ दे आर एबल टू डेवलप दिस गूगल कार्डबोर्ड, सबके पास अपना हो, एंड हफ्ते में या 2 हफ्ते बाद you prepare one lecture which is based, which you are going to demonstrate the virtual mode, तो it will create a very good effect, तो आपकी pedagogy भी improve हो जाएगी इससे, ठीक है। चलिए
Yes.
हम let's start making this Google Cardboard. मैं I will be giving the presentation, so don't need to take any screenshot also, my dear friends. वैसे भी आपके your lecture is being recorded, so this is not my proprietary item, so I have मैंने भी just सीखा and I'm just sharing with all of you, ठीक है। So don't need to worry कि आपने कुछ screenshot लेने हैं। So Google has the proprietary. We must thanks to the Google. The only thing is that the interface I'm with you today, and I'm going to tell you what sorts of things which you can do with the help of Google Cardboard. So Google ने क्या किया हुआ है? Google has provided the template also for all these things. Now to add novelty in your classroom, just I earlier told Professor Nagaraj that you can create some application in VR based on any of your subject of mechanical engineering or electrical engineering. So those VR videos can be created in Blender or Unity or that Eon desktop platform, which the other speakers have discussed within this FDP. So in a way, you are going to take your student to a virtual tour. हमारे students को पढ़ने में मजा आएगा और they will start feeling entertained. तो आपके लिए एक एरिया ऑफ डोमेन आप सीख पाओगे, वो गूगल कार्डबोर्ड से जब वो देखेंगे देन दे कैन विजुअलाइज इट, बिकॉज आई फील आपने सुबह यू आर स्टडिंग यूनिटी, तो यूनिटी में एप्लीकेशन तो बन जाती थी, वो आप अपने डेस्कटॉप पे ही देख रहे थे। डॉक्टर भौमिक का कोई रिसर्च स्कॉलर था उनका, तो ही वाज डेवलपिंग दोज एप्लीकेशन एंड शोइंग ऑन द यूनिटी प्लेटफॉर्म, दैट वाज ए 2D प्लेटफॉर्म, और किसी के पास वो गूगल कार्डबोर्ड नहीं था जिससे वो देख सकते थे एक्चुअल वर्चुअल मोड होता क्या है। तो आज आपको मैं वर्चुअल मोड दिखाऊंगा, ठीक है। These are the materials required to make the Google Cardboard. Cardboard hardly costs 20 rupees. Pair of lenses you can get from any good stationery shop in your city. Cost around rupees 60 to 70. Magnets एक होते हैं neodymium magnet and ceramic magnet. Although these are optional, I have not used. जो मैंने बनाया था उसमें मैंने यूज नहीं किए थे। फेविकॉल इज इजीली अवेलेबल। सीजर्स हमारे पास सब पे घर पे होती हैं। एक हुक एंड लूप फास्टनर इज वेलक्रो। वेलक्रो इज ब्लैक टेप होती है, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा थोड़ी देर बाद वो भी, एंड अदर रबर बैंड। तो यू कैन सी हियर देयर आर नथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम द लेंस, ऑल द थिंग्स आर अवेलेबल एट आवर होम। मैग्नेट इज ऑप्शनल वन, ओके। अगर मैग्नेट मिल जाए देन इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग, नहीं मिलता तो भी काम चल जाएगा। तो लेट्स सी हाउ इट्स हैपन। दिस इज द टेम्पलेट। ये आप कंपोनेंट्स दिखा रहा हूँ मैं आपको। टेम्पलेट प्रिंट आउट है, इसलिए डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट हाउ इट इज बीइंग कट डाउन। जस्ट सी द पार्ट्स हियर। वी हैव एंड्रॉइड फोन, वी हैव द lenses, we have the rubber band, this black tape which is very easily available from the tailor material shop. It cost rupees 1 मीटर की 10 रुपए में 1 मीटर आ जाती है, तो you can buy it very easily. This is a cardboard, and this cardboard ये normal जो Amazon की पैकिंग मिलती है, the cardboard cost rupees 30 or 20 only if you buy from the stationery shop. So you can also use file cover also. I hope many of my friends are professors and they might be having many files in their थोड़ी सी फाइल थिक होनी चाहिए, ठीक है। So we're going to turn our boring smartphone into a cool VR headset today. So let's start the journey now. We need a cardboard. This is a corrugated cardboard. The corrugated cardboards are those cardboard in which this Amazon and Flipkart, they send their packing material, generally available from the brown color cardboard. Not a very thick one, but not a very thin one also. The quite a medium one, you can consider it. Don't worry about this design. Okay. We need some lenses also. This is the most trickiest component. Trickiest is why? Because this is only the essential component. The whole task is going to be placed by this lens only. And please make sure when you are going to purchase this lens, it should be of 40.5 centimeter or 45 mm focal distance. And this is a biconvex lens, which is bulged out from the both side. Okay, this is something physics component here. The focal length of the lens is 4.5 centimeters. So if you're going to market, the person will ask you that how many focal length is required. So it is fixed 4.5 centimeter. Okay, and you this object, your phone is to be placed at 3 centimeter. Don't worry about that. How do we calculate that 3 centimeter? The template will automatically give you this distance. Okay. We need 2 magnets also. Although I earlier, just a few minutes before, I told that magnets are the optional component, but if you get this magnet, in fact, when I made my Google Cardboard, I was not able to get this from my local market. So somebody told me that you might get it from online store, but anyhow, मुझे कह लीजिए I was a bit feel bit lazy, थोड़ा सा आलस कर गया मैं, ठीक है। तो if I got this magnets also, तो और interactive हो जाता this Google Cardboard which I made. So one is a neodymium magnet and another is a ceramic magnet. Magnets 100 rupees तक मिल जाते हैं, तो ये थोड़े small size में होते हैं. These are generally available from a specific science practical stores. So I live in Ludhiana, and the shops of which are dealing with the science practicals shops होती हैं आपके शहर में, जहाँ from which you get that practical related material. So that shop was not near to my house, so I skipped this. But if you can get it, it is also a good thing. There is Velcro tapes, which I've easily shown. These are available from the Tailor Material shop, that black tapes, and just a small tape. It will cost 10 rupees only. Rubber bands. Many of my friends are females, तो rubber band सबके पास घर पे पड़े होते हैं. थोड़ा सा बड़ा rubber band चाहिए, small नहीं है, ठीक है. And also you need this knife also. Cutter कह सकते हैं आप इसे. थोड़ा सा ये shape आती है, which we use in for cutting purpose, ठीक है. So these are the steps. I hope आपने सबने note कर लिए हैं. ये सारे components हैं. सारे के सारे component बहुत easily available from the local market, apart from the magnets, okay, which you have to slightly थोड़ा सा आपको देखना पड़ेगा किस shop से मिलेगा. Actually, you not need to design it. These design files are already available on this link here, drive.google.com. यहाँ पे जाइए, आप इस link को click कर लीजिए. When you find out this link, you will find out 3 templates now. One template is called body, another is called lens holder, and another is called lens divider. You need to print out these 3 pages. Printer available है सबके पास. We are all professors, but we need a color printer here. तो थोड़ा color printer ले लीजिएगा. This is the you can first template है. This is the first template, and you have to print out this template, and you have to fix this template on the cardboard. So generally A4 size की आप pick ले लीजिए. A4 size का print out लेके you can pick it on your cardboard. There is another point written here, that glue the light numbers on the top of the dark ones. Another template is coming in the next slide. It has certain numbers written on those templates. Just see here. This is the other template. इसका print out लेना है हमें, ठीक है. There is a number written here, 1. 1 is a dark one. There are certain lines which are shown in the red color. There are certain lines in the black color. तो जो कटिंग करनी है वो हमने black lines की करनी है. Red lines को कट नहीं करना, उनको सिर्फ फोल्ड करना है. I will be telling you. Don't worry, ये कुछ difficult task नहीं है, ठीक है. This is the third template. इसका print out ले लेना है. So you can see here, again 1 is written here, which is a lighter one. Again 2 is written here, which is lighter one. Another 2 is written, which is a dark one, ठीक है. तो light को dark के ऊपर overlap कराना है, ठीक है. ये भी करना है हमने. चलिए, for your understanding, I'm telling these instructions also, but I will be showing you one small video also, just 2 minutes video. जिसमें ये सारा process कैसे बनाते हैं, you also can see here. But just have this read these lines also. You can print the template in possibly color printout ले लीजिए, ठीक है? Because we need the red lines also. अगर color printer नहीं available, तो print out के बाद जो red lines है उसके ऊपर pen से आप red mark कर सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा अगर easily available नहीं है color printer, तो सेकेंड स्टेप में क्या करना है, यू हैव टू ग्लू द टेम्पलेट ऑन द कार्डबोर्ड, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा सूखने दीजिए, गेट इट बीइंग ड्राइड. एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेप में करना है, यू हैव द सेकंड टेम्पलेट, यू हैव द थर्ड टेम्पलेट, ठीक है? सबको कार्डबोर्ड के ऊपर फिक्स करके ग्लू द लाइट नंबर्स ऑन द अबव द डार्क वंस. आ जाइए वापस, डार्क वन एंड दिस वन इज द लाइट वन. इंस्ट्रक्शन पढ़िए, ग्लू द लाइट नंबर्स, यू हैव टू ओवरलैप द लाइट नंबर्स ऑन द अबव द डार्क वंस, ठीक है? कटिंग करनी है ब्लैक लाइंस के ऊपर, रेड लाइंस को कट नहीं करना, ठीक है? कटिंग करने के लिए प्लीज यूज दैट एक्जैक्टो नाइफ, थोड़ा कटर शेप में होता है. आई जस्ट वांट कि मैं आपको वो वीडियो दिखाऊं. एनीबॉडी प्लीज जस्ट टेल मी बस आफ्टर प्लेइंग दिस वीडियो साउंड ऑडिबल और नॉट. आफ्टर दैट वी विल बी कमिंग बैक अगेन. जस्ट अ स्मॉल वीडियो. Professor Nagaraj, is the screen being shared?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just 1 second. Please tell if the sound is audible or not. Otherwise, I will make some arrangement. Is the sound audible? Is the sound audible?
No, sir.
Okay, just
You have shared
Once-
PPT, no, sir?
pardon, sir.
You have shared a PowerPoint presentation or a video slide, video file.
Okay, 1 second, sir. Just let me. Okay, I got it. That means you might have. I have to stop sharing now.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, I have to share screen again. This is the video. Okay, this is the video. Just tell me the sound audible or not, because we need sound here.
Yes, sir.
Is the sound audible?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay.
Here's what you'll need.
Yeah,
A piece of
right now it
cardboard.
is audible.
Okay, let's play it again. Just a small 2 minutes video. Watch carefully.
Printable template and a bill of materials to help you make your own cardboard at home. Here's what you'll need. A piece of cardboard at least 22 inches by 8.75 inches. Two 2-inch strips of 3/4 inch wide Velcro. One 3/4 inch neodymium ring magnet. One 3/4 inch ceramic disc magnet. Two biconvex lenses, roughly 45 millimeter focal length, and optionally a rubber band and an NFC tag. Additionally, the tools you will need for this project are an X-Acto knife, straight edge, Scotch tape, some spray adhesive or contact cement, and you may also find some super glue handy. Begin by downloading the manufacturer's kit directly from Google, linked below. Extract the zip file, open the scissor cut template, and print the 3 pages. Use a straight edge to trim away the excess paper from the templates, and use tape or glue to connect the 3 pieces of the main body template together. Align the corresponding numbers over one another with the line numbers on top. In total, there will be 3 templates: the body, the lens holder, and the lens divider. Next, trim away any extra cardboard you may have. Working with a large box I salvaged from my recent move, I really only needed one side of the box. Once all the excess is cut away, lightly coat the cardboard with spray adhesive. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes and press the 3 separate templates into place. Here is the not so fun part: cutting out every little nib with an X-Acto knife. I started by trimming away all the unnecessary outside pieces, then worked my way in. For all the tight corners or small spaces that need to be cut, it's easier to just perforate the cardboard by stabbing it repeatedly rather than trying to drag and cut, which will often end in you cutting off more than you need or want. The best advice for this part is to be patient. It's going to take you at least 30 to 45 minutes to cut everything out, and your hand will probably cramp up a time or two. I finished by cutting out all the rounded pieces last. You can try to use round objects that are close in radius to what you're cutting, but I chose to slowly freehand all the round cuts. Again, patience is key. Once everything is cut out, it's time to begin assembling. Insert the lenses into the 2 eye holes, paying attention to their orientation. The paper template tells you which direction the lenses should face. Fold the top third of the lens holder template down and the lower third up so that the middle panel is sandwiched between the 2 and the lenses can't fall out. Next, use a straight edge to help you make straight and sharp folds on all the lighter colored lines on the template. Place the ceramic magnet in its designated spot. I ended up gluing it, and then put the neodymium magnet on the opposite side of that same piece of cardboard, and start folding. Insert the lens holder with the divider and wrap the cardboard frame around it, lining up all the proper slots and grooves. When I folded mine up all the way, I noticed there was an extra flap I didn't need. So I cut it off and opened up the hole for access to the neodymium magnet, which will operate as your select button when using the headset. I added a touch of super glue to the inside of this panel and glued the headset shut. You could also use Velcro here if you choose. Next, add the Velcro strips to the top of the flap where you will later insert your phone, and optionally you can add an NFC tag to your cardboard. Program it by downloading the app Trigger.
Okay, let me on you my camera now. This is the card, my dear friends. Okay, can anybody keep on acknowledge me? This is the card. Okay, and I'm putting my smartphone here. This is a smartphone where you are going to play any VR application. Say Bahubali VR, if it's being played. If it's possible, I will be playing Bahubali VR here. But if you visualize through this two lenses here, only one image will be visible. So I'm keeping a cardboard here. Please don't talk in between. Just 1 minute activity. So this is the card. Okay, this is the process how it's being worn on the head. This is the cardboard, actually cardboard. We have to insert. This is the smartphone, which is being placed at a distance of 3 centimeters from this area. This lens is at a distance of 3 centimeters from here. These are the lenses being used here. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Please unmute yourself.
Is it visible, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes, sir. That means what
Yes,
I have talked on wearing that headset, you might not have seen it again. So I'm sorry, my mic was mute that time. I'm just minimizing the screen and just telling you how to wear that headset again. Just 1 second. Okay. Is this my camera visible now? My front cam. This is the Google Cardboard which I was talking about. Okay, I will be showing you again at the last of this lecture. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Actually, my mic was mute that time, so sometimes this technological errors happen. So, shall I continue? Professor Nagaraj, please
Yes, sir, yes, sir,
acknowledge.
yes.
Okay, thank you. So you might have seen this just a small video also. So whatever the things written in this theoretically in this step 4 and step 5, either you can watch that video again 1 or 2 times is sufficient. Otherwise, not a big deal. Just taking the printout, and the funda is that you have to fix the one which is a lighter one on the dark one, and 2 which is the lighter one on the dark one, and just follow the folding procedures which are written here. So just you have to be patient, and it will take 30 to 40 minutes to the cutting of all those templates. So this was the actually which my daughters also made at one point of time. So I'll fix the disc magnet here. Okay, this is the disc magnet. This is the Velcro tapes. Okay, this is glue the parts of the Velcro tape here. And this was actually, I took my picture also to just show you that how this Android phone is being placed. And if I'm going to watch that Bahubali VR, Sunita ma'am, if you are there. So if you're going to watch that Bahubali VR here, you will be going to see only one image, because God has given 2 eyes. Okay? But that Bahubali VR is a special application of the YouTube in which they create the virtual effect. But to want to see the virtual effect, you need the devices like Google Cardboard. So if you are very native to this concept of virtual reality, and if you are not very well versed with Unity or Vuforia, just see what is happening on YouTube. The 360-degree video photos concept is also same as the VR, as this Bahubali VR. Okay, so what is magic? This magnet doing here? Okay, so just 1 second, I forgot the mag. Just this slide. I'll coming back again. So the what sort of magic we can do here? You can just wear this headset on your head. अपने सिर पर पहन लीजिए. Your head here and there in a random fashion. The whatever movie or whatever the game you are watching in this video headset, आपको सिर उसी आपको जिस दिशा में अपने हेड को घुमाएंगे, it will take you in that direction only. So image will respond as if you are placing, आप एक बटन की तरह प्रेस कर रहे हो अपने सिर को, तो जैसे अपने सिर को घुमाएंगे इमेज भी आपकी उस दिशा में घूमती रहेगी, moving in that direction. ठीक है, तो ये this is a video we have seen already. These are two versions of the Google Cardboard. The first Cardboard version was more suitable for Android, and second में उन्होंने they have introduced this magnetic switch. So we will see that magnet क्या कर रहा है. Magnet was having a very good application here. So you also seen those video also. तो magnet touch button का काम कर रहा है. See, when we are going to wear this headset on our headset, headset को अपने सिर के ऊपर पहन लेंगे, तो we are not going to operate the smartphone. Smartphone को touch तो कर नहीं पाएंगे. See here, मेरी पिछली slide में देखिए, smartphone was directly inside the this. Madhav ji, don't worry, I will share. ठीक है, don't worry. So just this headphone was inside the my Google Cardboard, and I was not able to touch the touch button because सारी screen मेरी lock हो चुकी है. तो magnet यही काम करेगा आपका, ठीक है. Since you cannot touch the smartphone screen as it is inside the cardboard, तो Google ने last उसके बाद क्या किया, magnet का concept use किया. Magnet में क्या होता है? All of my friends are from a mechanical background, so they might have heard this term called magnetometer. हमारे फोन के अंदर एक magnetometer होता है, तो जैसे ही आप magnet को touch करते हो, वो उसके touch को activate कर देता है. तो in a way आप अपनी जो machine है उसको ऑपरेट कर सकते हो. अपने स्मार्टफोन को अंदर से भी कुछ देयर माइट बी सर्टेन एप्लीकेशन जिनको टच करना पड़ता है. इफ यू आर प्लेइंग सम गेम आल्सो और कुछ एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, तो स्मार्टफोन को टच करने के लिए बाहर से मैग्नेट को प्रेस करेंगे तो इट विल टच योर स्मार्टफोन स्क्रीन. तो कोई ना कोई एक्टिविटी उससे हो जाएगी आगे. तो दिस इज अनदर आफ्टर बिल्डिंग योर कार्डबोर्ड आपका इस तरह नजर आएगा. इफ यू यूजिंग ए फ्रेश वन, एक काम कीजिए, गो ऑन टू ट्राई टू अपने किड को बोलिए, अपने बच्चों को बोलिए जो 8th 9th में पढ़ते हैं, दे विल लव टू मेक दिस गूगल कार्डबोर्ड. उनको बड़ा मजा आएगा, उनकी एक एक्टिविटी हो जाएगी. बस आपको गूगल कार्डबोर्ड के लिए आपको यू नीड दैट पर्टिकुलर लेंसेज ओनली. मैग्नेट मिल जाएं तो इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. मैग्नेट नहीं मिलती है तो भी इशू नहीं है कोई इतना, ठीक है. तो चलिए, many of my friends are from the mechanical background because I saw the brochure of this FTP when Dr. Sunil called me, and I found that there must be some relevance to the mechanical also. Although this augmented reality or virtual reality is a bit of the computers and IT background, but considering they must be involved in any application area, as I earlier told, we all are interdisciplinary areas persons. So barely a century ago, manufacturing I beg your pardon, यहाँ पे कुछ मैकेनिकल के टर्म्स यूज कर रहा हूँ मैं. This is from one of the SC index paper where I found that how virtual reality can be used in the mechanical engineering. So I beg your pardon, मुझे कोई टर्म अगर ना क्लियर हुई तो. A century ago, manufacturing was known as a black art, where most of the tools and technologies were primarily mechanical in nature. So the mechanical moving elements were initially powered by steam engine आया, फिर later electric power आई. तो सारा का सारा जो ऑल द ट्रेंड चेंज हुआ, किसके कारण हुआ? द कंप्लीट ट्रेंड चेंज विद द एडवांसमेंट ऑफ IT, डिजिटल जब हुआ. तो माय डियर फ्रेंड, जो कंप्यूटर इंटीग्रेटेड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम्स आए हैं, दे हैव ट्राइड टू एलिमिनेट दिस डेटा हैंडलिंग एरर्स. तो इन जस्ट ऑफ दिस 2 decades, पिछले 10 सालों में VR टेक्नोलॉजी थोड़ी सी मैच्योर तो हुई है, लेकिन I'm not able to find any good sort of research in this VR in mechanical, and this is a very good research topic. If some of my friends are professors and they are guiding the PhD scholars, you can ask your PhD scholars to develop some application in virtual reality also. So the virtual reality has proven to be an innovative and effective tool. See the job scenario which I talked in just in my second slide, that how critical and how important this subject for our stakeholders. So virtual reality is going to be proved to be a very innovative and effective tool to address the critical problem like simulation, guiding, and manufacturing. These are certain terms which are related to the mechanical, like designing, planning, machining. Professor Nagaraj, if you're from mechanical, तो आपको ये बड़े, you might be quite familiar with these terms. Google Cardboard can play a very significant role in viewing these all aspects at a very low cost. Okay. तो मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स कर क्या सकते हैं, they can create an interactive virtual simulation of the learning and teaching mechanical concepts like construction of a device. I was earlier asking कि fluid mechanics में कुछ कर सकते हैं, so these are specific examples. Construction of a device, you can show its individual component, defining the principal operations, all those aspects through this Unity or Blender or Eon Reality platform, and then visualize and perceive through the Google Cardboard. So we need a combination of software and a hardware and particular application. This is all interdisciplinary. Application है computers की, नहीं sorry, interface है computer का, ठीक है. Application है mechanical की. Application is a whole mechanical. The program, the tool is of computer. And this is a hybrid combination of computers and mechanical, or combined with electrical, or combined with EC. Any area, कोई भी आप area पे काम choose कर ले, and with the help of the Google Cardboard, just tell your student to how to visualize them. They will feel fascinated. तो जो भी mathematical modeling करनी है, physical phenomena आपके subject के अंदर होते हैं, to view all these effects, this Google Cardboard is a very effective, cost-effective tool. Just 1 second. Okay, thank you. So Google Cardboard can play a very vital role in simulating those advanced 3D human-computer interaction, especially for the mechanical assemblies, by allowing the user to be completely immersed in that synthetic environment. I earlier told her that environment is not a real environment. The virtual reality in the Google Cardboard, they together can be used for research in these manufacturing applications. But the reason is that every coin has two sides. The things are not very easy. There is a higher order of accuracy, response, and interface design. We're going to have a good challenge here. This challenge will be overcome by our budding research scholars, budding engineers, or our final year students. There is a challenge to implement this integrated VR assisted simulation tools, okay, that could improvise the manufacturing operations. We need some product and process development also that can lead to from faster learning and training. For a time, shorter time हो जाए, कॉस्ट कम हो जाए, क्वालिटी इंप्रूव हो जाए. दैट्स वाई द VR इज इंट्रोड्यूस कि असली प्रोडक्ट बनने से पहले ही जब कोई चीज आती है तब तो विजुअलाइज कर नहीं सकते ना हम उसे. तो VR इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ परसेप्शन ऑफ व्हाट इज द थिंग व्हिच इज गोइंग टू बी डेवलप्ड एट सम लेटर स्टेज. तो उसके लिए बड़ी जरूरी हो जाएगी VR. एडिशनली गूगल कार्डबोर्ड क्या कर सकते हैं, आप कोई प्रोटोटाइप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं VR बेस्ड मैकेट्रॉनिक्स लेबोरेटरी के लिए. मुझे याद है देयर इज ए वन चाइना में एक लैब है जो VR लैब सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के लिए बनाई गई है. आप कभी गूगल कर लीजिएगा. सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में भी VR अभी यूज़ नहीं हुई है, लेकिन चाइना में अच्छी रिसर्च चल रही है. बिल्डिंग के जो डिज़ाइंस हैं, 3D मॉडल्स हैं, वो सारे पहले तो 3D मॉडलिंग यूज़ हुआ करती थी. Nowadays they are going to use VR for the construction of bridges and big high-rise building. Okay, so with the help of Google Cardboard, one can also view the typical production lines or these important fragments showing electro-pneumatic actuators and control used in this industry. You people are more familiar with this mechanical related terms, so these are application areas where one can work it. Okay, the path is very less traveled in the manufacturing operations. So VR and Google Cardboard is really a new application. So you might be thankful to the Atal program and the Dr. Sunil and their team, which have given you some insight कि भाई कुछ नया करें. Traditional तो चल रहा है हमारा, लेकिन we need to improve we want to improve the job scenario in our country. We want to make engineer हमारा जो पैदा हो रहा है हम उसे और उसके employability को better करें. We want to improve the employability. तो ये जो एक सिर्फ गेमिंग की तरह न रह जाए, द इंजीनियर्स को थोड़ा सा ये ह्यूमन फैक्टर्स, कॉग्निटिव स्ट्रेन, ये सब चीज़ें देखनी पड़ेगी इफ दे वांट टू यूज दिस वर्चुअल रियलिटी इन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑपरेशंस. चलिए, प्लीज हैव योर स्मार्टफोन अगेन विथ यू. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू समथिंग गुड फॉर यू, जो आपको थोड़ा एंटरटेन भी करेगा आने वाला. दिस इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर ऐप. somebody can share with me. I'm going to call you again now. Just 1 second. तेजिंदर जी आप पंजाब से हैं? तेजिंदर दुआ। तेजिंदर जी आप लेक्चर सुन रहे हैं मेरा? आई एम स्पीकिंग बिट ऑफ पंजाबी हियर नाउ। ओके, तेजिंदर इज नॉट हियर। सो Sadik, Professor Sadik, you are
He has
the
replied. He's
organizer.
replied. He's replied. He's yes.
Okay, ठीक है। So
Yes,
please
sir,
everybody,
listening.
ठीक है। तेजिंदर जी आप कहाँ से हैं? पंजाब से हैं?
अमृतसर सर, अमृतसर।
ठीक है, चलिए तेजिंदर जी, फिर तो हम पास ही हैं। प्लीज एवरीबडी ओपन दिस योर प्ले स्टोर एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड दिस ऐप, गूगल कार्डबोर्ड ऐप. This is a 70 MB app. It will take 2 to 3 minutes app, and you will find fascinating things which are relevant to the Google Cardboard itself. App का नाम ही है Google Cardboard. So you can place your this Google Cardboard headset on your head and just play this app. Applications available in this app. You will find fascinating effects which are visible with the help of this cardboard. Okay. चलिए आगे चलते हैं थोड़ा सा. What this Google Cardboard is contained, it teaches the basics of the virtual reality. Okay, so practical concepts. If you are a layman or if your student is a layman and you want to teach the practical concepts of virtual reality, just first try to make this Google Cardboard at home and then tell that how to perceive virtual reality, how to see Google Earth using this. Somebody was telling me about 360-degree videos also. You can also watch 360-degree video also through these devices. Okay. So please, another good thing, I'm आपको practically virtual reality दिखाऊंगा. Please spare about 20-25 minutes with me. आपको कुछ entertainment से हम lecture को end करेंगे. तेजिंदर जी, please download this app, Living Herd for Cardboard VR. Everybody, please, is it able to download? Somebody please mute your mic. I want to talk to someone. Anjali Solanki, are you there? Anjali?
Yes, sir.
Anjali, please, if it's possible, you can download this app, Living Herd for Cardboard VR. Open your Google Play Store.
Okay, sir.
Everybody, please download this
Okay,
app.
sir. Okay.
Just for the sake of communication, I am talking with Anjali, and for other people, they also please download this app. I'm going to show you something very fascinating effect of application of Google Cardboard in biology now, and I will be showing you some all video without how this app works without the Google Cardboard and with the Google Cardboard. Okay, has somebody opened this app, Living Herd for the Cardboard VR? For the timing, I am going to show you a small video also. See here, this is a very biology related applications of Google Cardboard. Anjali, is it downloaded, or anybody else has downloaded this app, Living Herd for Cardboard?
सर मैंने कर ली है डाउनलोड. I have done it.
Okay,
सर
thank you.
डाउनलोड हो रही है.
चलिए ठीक है, मीन टाइम डाउनलोड हो रही है आपकी. तो जस्ट सी दिस स्लाइड. वी आर गोइंग टू सी द लिविंग हर्ट. आज तक हमने अपना हर्ट तो कभी देखा नहीं कैसे काम करता है. जब तक हर्ट चलता है, मैं बोले जा रहा हूँ, आप मेरा लेक्चर सुन रहे हैं, हर्ट बंद तो कहानी खत्म. ठीक है, तो विदाउट गूगल कार्डबोर्ड वी विल सी हाउ अवर हर्ट इज वर्किंग, एंड विथ गूगल कार्डबोर्ड वी विल अगेन सी दैट हाउ इट इज वर्किंग. जस्ट सी हियर, take a break for 1 minute. I'm going to show you my video which I have created through this Google Cardboard. Okay, just 1 second. I'm going to share your screen again. My share Google Cardboard. Okay, Google Cardboard. Hot without Google Cardboard. Professor Nagaraj, is it? I'm going to play my small video. There is no sound effect. Is the video visible?
You haven't opened it yet, sir. Video files are visible to me.
Okay, just 1 second. Okay, just here. Now, is it visible?
It's being shared. Wait a minute. Yeah, sir. It's visible now.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, thank you. So, my dear friends, just see here. Just I earlier told you saw the Bahubali VR on the YouTube now. Now, just perceive, this is the app which Anjali Solanki ji and Tejinder Dua ji might have downloaded now. So if you are able to open this app, you will be seeing this moving hub now. I'm going to play this video. Just there is no sound in this video, so no need to worry. Okay, just see this video. We are going to see herd without virtual reality. And very close up is not seen here. Just okay, this is a small video. Now I'm stopping the sharing again. Just see here, and now see another video. Okay, just see here. Professor Nagaraj, is the video now visible? Is the video visible now?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, ठीक है. So, dear friends, now see this video. This video is being captured through this Google Cardboard. It was a difficult task for me to first visualize this video, and I placed another mobile here, and then captured. To some extent, I got a good image here. Just see here that how we are getting a large image and a very close moving heart. See, sometimes it may happen some sort of medical complication arises, and in such cases, this cardboard is going to be very useful for the medical fraternity. Basically, we all are engineers, and we live in a society, and we want to develop something which can help all the complete society. So basically, some sort of applications which there with the medical line can also be assisted here. Just see this video again. So just can anybody tell me or just I'm going to share something differentiate between these two. Although in the first one there were two images and this one was having one image, but on visualizing this image, देखिए heart को कितना closely देखा हमने. Actually heart we have never seen the moving heart. ठीक है? So this is a very close picturization. Imagine you are a biology teacher and you are teaching the chapter which is basically heart, based on heart. So the student will really love to attend your lecture again and again because उनको लगेगा कि this teacher is going to show you the actual working of the heart with this Google Cardboard. तो बच्चों को मजा भी आएगा पढ़ने में और उनको एक close up चीज पता चलेगी. ठीक है? With the comparison of this normal without the Google Cardboard and with Google Cardboard, a huge difference is being created now. Okay, let's come back to the presentation again. Okay, चलिए कुछ बातें मेडिकल लाइन की होगी, थोड़ी एंटरटेनमेंट हो जाए. Is anybody from Mumbai? Any person? Anjali Solanki, I suppose आप महाराष्ट्र से होंगे. Are you from Mumbai or anybody else? Is my voice audible? Professor Nagaraj, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay, thank you. So there is a very famous amusement park in Mumbai that is called this SL World. SL World also felt that they should introduce the concept of virtual reality in their theme park. So I'm going to just in the start of my lecture, I told you that I will be discussing the certain applications of the virtual reality of the Google Cardboard. So although Google Cardboards are not used here, the SL World is a very big theme park. They can afford to buy those big high resolution HMDs. But I will tell you afterwards, just see this video. The kids are experiencing the virtual reality with the headset, which are similar to the Google Cardboard. Although they are wearing the HTC headset, but Google Cardboard can also be used here. This ride was inaugurated by 2018 by Karthik Aaryan. He was a very famous film star. Just see here. So, 1 second here. Actually, the lecture based on virtual reality is generally an interactive one, so we need to add some videos also. So I'm going to share your screen here. There is a good sound effect in this video, so you will enjoy it. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
चलिए. cost of this ride is 500 to 1000 rupees. Okay, just for a small ride, we are going to spend rupees 500 to 1000 rupees. And imagine you download certain small apps in your mobile phone, and then you have this Google Cardboard, and then you tell your kid, you better, we not need to go to the Hassel World or any amusement park. Watch any number of times uh, certain apps, which I'm going to tell you again now. And actually, this happened with my daughter also. When I learned about this lecture and we developed Google Cardboard, my daughter automatically find out there are certain apps which are related to games also. So the kids start loving by using this Google Cardboard, and they kept on playing for the initially 30 to 40 minutes every day whenever they got tired from their normal studies. Okay, so this is a very fascinating example of the Google Cardboard in the entertainment industry. So it might happen, we may use some cost-effective this Google Cardboard, and we can play the normal apps which are freely available on the Play Store. Okay. So let's watch small video again now. This is how the Google Cardboard saved one baby now. See, don't think that we are from a mechanical background or a computer background. It is our aim to serve the society also. So the engineering and the medical fraternity, they work together for the betterment of the society. Okay. So the Google Cardboard has a very important role in medical application also. We will watch a small video here. Actually, my PhD area was image processing. So I definitely love this video because some sort of abnormality which was not visible to the normal eyes. This Google Cardboard, it just a cost of rupees 200 to 300 rupees. It saved the life of one baby here. Okay, the doctor were able to, how the process was done, they got the 3D images, okay, and they were able to visualize that they converted the CD images, normal CD images, into 3D images with the help of some software, and they visualized those 3D images and find out the clot or the abnormality in that particular baby. You can see better from those that video. Okay, I'm stopping sharing again here, and just wait 1 minute. Okay. Mr. Nagaraj, is the screen visible of this video?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, it may not be the Oculus Rift, but a $20 cardboard contraption and a smartphone team up to save the life of a baby, and it's just one of the top stories across America. Tegan Lexon was born with only one lung and half a heart. She was declared inoperable until Miami doctors put photos of her heart into Google Cardboard. I see the baby's heart. I see it in 3D. I can see it from the front to the back. I can see it from the top, and I can see it from the bottom. The extra angles let doctors plan a surgery, and after a 7-hour operation, baby Tegan is expected to make a full recovery. Minutes and millimeters make the difference between getting it right and getting it wrong. Once we saw these images, we said, wait a second, we can figure this out. I think this is the difference between her living and dying. At number 2, a different kind of creativity. In downtown Chicago, where you expect to see skyscrapers, an igloo ice sculpture. The builder was thought to be a homeless man, but they were way off. Turns out it was a guy.
So you can imagine that how these, just 1 second, that how Google Cardboard was able to save the life of a baby here. So let's come back to the presentation here again. So what other things you can do purposely? We can develop the virtual reality technology with a low cost one. We can provide immersive training, and you can show a demo of your engineering products, and you can also offer the Google Cardboard as a Pongal or a Diwali gift to your near and dears also. Okay, so this, we can skip this video here. So there are certain apps also which you can download at a later stage also. This is one of the very wonderful app which is basically for the study material also. Eon Exa is a very wonderful app for the virtual reality. You can watch the augmented reality and virtual reality for the remote learning and training here. Roller Coaster VR are able to develop this virtual reality Google Cardboard at your home, your kid will definitely love to have a roller coaster ride in a virtual mode. Okay, this is a Tilt Brush Gallery. This is a very famous VR app. Another apps are in Northwest Line, Words of Word, and definitely if you are a teacher from the mechanical or some other background, try to create some VR video related to your subject. Okay, you may use Blender or Vuforia, and definitely your student will be visualizing those to the Google Cardboard. These are some other apps: Star Wars, Google Santa, NYT VR, Funded VR. Cardboard is definitely a very appropriate app. So what are the advantages of using it? It will make the learning easier. You don't need to go to the actual location. It provides a very good real virtual interaction, and the low cost of the Google Cardboard is a major reason for the growth of the virtual reality cardboard, and we can very easy to set up and use it. And the disadvantage is that very few developers are available here. Very few softwares are available here, because I assume before the start of this FDP, you might have not been familiar with Unity or Vuforia. So these are very emerging softwares available nowadays. Okay, this has a Google Cardboard is getting some good competition from the Oculus Rift and Project Morpheus. These are the other two companies which are, but considering the low cost factor, we can give a edge to the Google Cardboard, because if we don't want to spend rupees 20,000, just spend rupees 200 to 300 and you will get a very cost effective, because my theme of my lecture was cost effective virtual reality card set. So let's end this lecture with some emotional video. Have you ever imagined, are you able to meet the persons who have died or your loved ones who have left with you? Virtual reality can do this effect. So just see this video. This will be the last video. Okay. Some emotional ending now. Okay. Just 1 minute. Small video. Professor Nagra, is the video visible?
It's a bit blur, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
blur.
yes,
I'm
sir,
going
it's
to play
visible.
it. Okay, I'm going to play it.
Even though grief-stricken mother Jung Ji-sung knew the encounter wouldn't be real, she desperately wanted to reconnect with her daughter whichever way she could. Donning a virtual reality headset and touch-sensitive gloves, she was able to enter the world they once knew in a park they regularly visited, see Na-yeon, hear her, and feel her.
Maybe it's a real paradise. I met Na-yeon, who called me with a smile for a very short time, but it's a very happy time. I think I've had the dream I've always wanted.
Na-yeon passed away in 2016 from a rare disease. She was the third of 4 siblings who were also there for the moving reunion. The show is part of a Korean series called Meeting You, which is designed to give relatives a chance to say goodbye to lost loved ones, possibly bringing them closure. In this episode, Ji-sung promised her virtual daughter to stop living in guilt and perhaps even move on from grieving. She hopes her experience will help other families dealing with a similar loss, but some experts say this method in doing so might do more harm than good.
It's very real as well. It's very raw, this grief, and makes you a little bit uncomfortable almost to be looking at someone's very deep grief, and you are just kind of left wondering what is it that they wanted to achieve with this.
Although the person is wearing Carl Zeiss headset, but I just want to share that how the virtual reality is playing a very significant roles in our life in this aspect also. She was wearing some virtual reality gloves also. I hope Dr. Bhaumik might have touched those components also. So with the help of some Google Card headboards and with the help of some gloves, it is able to meet the loved ones who have left us. Okay. So what will be the future now? Initially, the people in India were very reluctant of using these smartphones. They were not very familiar with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. But now we are seeing that everybody is using all these platforms. Everybody is having smartphones in their head. And I possibly believe that in the coming years to come, everybody will be having this Google Cardboard headset or some other VR headset. It will be very common thing for all of us. In other way, we will be able to use it in our normal classroom also. And our boring smartphone, which is nowadays not boring because so many apps are available, but to make the VR related apps more compatible, we need to have this Google Cardboard headset also. So instead of my main aim was of this lecture was to give you an idea about this Google Cardboard headset, and please guide your kids or students to make this cardboard at their own end, because this is a very cheap one. You can easily make it, and then as a teacher, it becomes our duty to develop certain VR applications in the softwares or the tools which we are more familiar with and related to your application, and then ask your student to visualize all those things. Okay, so I hope if Dr. Sunil, if he's here, he might have clicked a group photo at the end of this FTP, and if this FTP was conducted in the offline mode, definitely he would love to have this sort of FTP, this sort of group photo, and he might have given you one Google Cardboard as a gift also. Okay, just on a lighter note.
Sure, sir, sure.
So this is the takeaway from mom today. This is the introduction of the Google Cardboard I've touched here, and something to design for the Google Cardboard and some basic apps and some future of the virtual reality. And I hope the things which Dr. Sunil has called other speakers, they have taught you about those softwares like Vuforia, Eon Reality or Unity. And the combination of this Google Cardboard is going to combine the hardware and the software components together. And in a way, we are able to perceive the virtual reality in a very good fashion. Okay. So I'm going to acknowledge the Google Cardboard official. Some of the slides were from the Simulation Center. This is a firm in Hyderabad, which is working under Atmanirbhar Bharat, and they are going to possibly provide this Google Cardboard in Andhra Pradesh at a very low cost. I have heard them that they are going to provide at a cost of 50 rupees at a subsidized price, because they want the Indian mainstream or the school education should also be familiar with this sort of technologies and some of the components from the Wikipedia. And thank you. And anybody else, if they can ask any question also, although I have tried to make it a more interactive and I kept on asking you many things in the lecture. I'm thankful. Over to Dr. Sunil.
So we'll work together anyway, basically into manufacturing. Let's see how it works. For predicting tool failures, we can use Google Cardboard.
Actually, Google Cardboard is basically for viewing those applications, any sort of the application you develop for manufacturing also. So we need certain devices for which we can visualize them. So Google Cardboard is basically visualizing device for those virtual effects created in those applications. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Anybody else? Any question? From the chat box is filled up, and I tried to answer almost all questions. Anything else, sir? Or may I leave?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. Okay. There are no questions.
No, I kept on asking between the lectures, so they might be have tired also today. So thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Take care. Thank you. We would love to meet you some other day on a physical mode. Thank you, Dr. Sunil, and
thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Nagraj. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we'll meet 10:15 tomorrow.
మాట్లాడదా నాకు నిన్న చేశారండి, నాకు నిన్న చెప్పారండి.
10:15. Thank you.
కనుక్కుంటానే చేయిస్తానంటాడు తప్ప ఏంటండి అసలు ఎవరి దగ్గర ఉందండి ఫైలు? నాకు చాలా కోపం వచ్చేస్తుంది. కాదు అసలు ఎందుకు ఆగుతుంది? నేను వెళ్తాను, కావాలంటే కంప్లైంట్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను పైన ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరికీ. నాటకాలు ఆడుతున్నారు, ఒక్కొక్కరు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. ఎందుకు మీరు ఇన్ని చెప్పినా సరే ఎందుకు చేయట్లేదు? నాకు అది కావాల్సింది. 2 రోజులు కాదు, 2 రోజులు ఎందుకు? మీరు ఆల్రెడీ వారం రోజులు వాళ్ళు రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అవన్నీ నాకు చెప్పొద్దనండి. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ప్రాబ్లం ఎప్పుడు 10 రోజులు 15 రోజులు ఉండదు. మరి ఉదయ భాస్కర్ అయినప్పుడు నాది ఎందుకు కావలేదు?
Suresh Verma, kindly mute yourself.
అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి, నాది ఎందుకు పైకి పడుతుందో తెలుసుకోవాలి, చెయ్యాలి, అంతేగాని లేదని కాదండి. మీరు నాకు ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పడం లేదు. నేను కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ వాడిని కాదు, కంగారు పడ్డాను కాదు.
I have posted the feedback of for this feedback form for this session. I request all to give the feedback. And